Welcome to the Long Run with Joel and Christy. I'm Christy, and this is the recipe of the week, beef enchiladas. As always, we will have the original recipe linked in the description. Let's get to it. Okay, so we have already browned and drained our ground beef and warmed the tortilla shells. So we are going to start with our next step, adding the seasoning mixture. You're going to add the seasonings to the 2 cups of warm water. That is 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, 1½ teaspoons of chili powder, ½ teaspoon of cumin, 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder, a dash of each oregano, black pepper, and coriander. You're going to combine that, and then you're going to add your tomato paste and mix that well. You're going to then pour half of the tomato mixture into the skillet with the ground beef. Add ½ cup of cheese, and then you're going to stir that mixture together. So then you see Joel there, he's scooping a large spoonful of the mixture into each tortilla shell and then rolling it up. He then is going to place it seam down in a 13 by 9 dish. Then he is going to pour the remaining mixture over the top and sprinkle with the remaining cheese. He's then going to bake it at 350 degrees for 30 minutes. Yep, that's it. That's the whole recipe. It's that easy. We hope that you enjoyed this week's recipe of the week video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up, share, subscribe, and comment below. That's all for today for the Long Run with Joel and Christy. This is Christy saying, it's a long run. Give yourself a little grace. Bye.